What if a luxury hotel, a military-grade off-road truck, and Toyota's legendary reliability came together to create the most extreme motorhome ever built? Meet the 2026 Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 motorhome OBD machine, so wild, so massive, and so luxurious that it completely redefines what off-road travel means. This is not just a motorhome. This is a rolling fortress. Welcome back to Driftport. Let's get into it. At first glance, the Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. This thing is absolutely massive. We're talking about a true 12x12 drivetrain, meaning 12 wheels and every single one of them powered. This setup is designed to conquer terrain that would completely destroy normal SUVs, pickup trucks, and even most expedition vehicles. The exterior design is aggressive and purposeful. You get armored-style body panels, massive off-road tires with deep treads, reinforced steel bumpers, and powerful LED light bars wrapping around the roof. Ground clearance is insane, allowing this monster to crawl over rocks, plow through mud, and glide across sand like it's nothing. The Thunderbone doesn't ask where the road ends, it simply keeps going. Under the hood, Toyota equips the Thunderbone with a heavy-duty hybrid diesel powertrain, combining raw torque with modern efficiency. This setup is all about strength and endurance. You can expect massive low-end torque for climbing, towing, and hauling extreme loads, while Toyota's advanced hybrid technology helps improve fuel efficiency and reliability on long journeys. The real highlight here is the intelligent 12x12 traction system. Power delivery is managed independently across all wheels, giving the Thunderbone unmatched grip in every situation. Whether you're climbing steep mountain trails, crawling over rocks, or pushing through deep snow and sand, this system constantly adapts to keep you moving. Getting stuck simply isn't part of the plan. Toyota also went all out with off-road technology. The Thunderbone features adaptive air suspension that automatically adjusts ride height depending on terrain. On highways, the vehicle lowers itself for stability and comfort. Off-road, it rises up to clear obstacles with ease. Multiple terrain modes, crawl control, and locking differentials across several axles turn this massive motorhome into a precision off-road machine. Despite its size, the ride remains surprisingly smooth. Whether you're crossing deserts or navigating rough mountain paths, the Thunderbone feels controlled and confident at all times. Now step inside and everything changes. The interior of the Thunderbone feels more like a luxury penthouse than an off-road vehicle. Premium leather seats, real wood trims, brushed metal accents, and ambient LED lighting create a calm, high-end atmosphere. Large panoramic windows bring the outside world in, offering insane views no matter where you park. This motorhome is designed for serious long-term adventure living. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped modern kitchen with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and plenty of storage. There's a spacious dining area, a luxury bathroom with a rainfall shower, and advanced climate control capable of handling extreme heat or freezing cold. The bedroom is pure comfort. A king-size bed, sound insulation, and smart glass windows that switch from transparent to private. With a single touch, make this space perfect for recovery after long, brutal off-road days. No matter how wild the journey gets, your comfort is never compromised. Technology is another strong point. The Thunderbone features a massive digital cockpit, Toyota's latest infotainment system, satellite navigation designed for remote areas, and advanced off-road camera systems that show every angle of the vehicle in real time. You can monitor wheel articulation, terrain conditions, power usage, and even weather data directly from the central display. Solar panels and battery backup systems allow you to stay off-grid for extended periods, making this motorhome ideal for true explorers who don't want to rely on civilization. Safety is taken just as seriously. The Thunderbone is built with a reinforced structure, advanced driver assistance systems, 360-degree cameras, and emergency communication technology. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or crossing international borders, this vehicle is engineered to protect you and keep you moving forward. Let's be honest, this motorhome isn't for everyone. The 2026 Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 is made for extreme overlanders, luxury adventure travelers, expedition teams, and people who believe roads are optional. If your idea of freedom means going anywhere without limits, this is your ultimate machine. The Thunderbone 12x12 isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It proves that extreme off-road capability and true luxury can exist together. It's bold, it's insane, and it might be one of the most capable motorhomes ever imagined. If Toyota brings this beast into full production, it could completely change the future of off-road travel. So what do you think? Would you take the Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 into the wild? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to Driftport for more insane car and off-road machine reviews. See you in the next one.